Anduril's Roadrunner-M reusable interceptor drone. This vertical takeoff jet-powered hunter uses twin turbojets to hit high subsonic speeds, pull extreme G-forces, and carry a high explosive warhead 3 times bigger than similar systems. It launches in seconds, flies out to intercept incoming drones, cruise missiles, or low-flying aircraft, destroys the threat, then, if it doesn't need to expend itself, it simply lands vertically, refuels, and is ready to fly again within minutes. That reusability is the killer feature. One Roadrunner-M can do the job of 10 or 20 single-use missiles at a fraction of the cost. The only real downside is it still needs a human in the loop for final decisions, but the speed and maneuverability make it almost impossible for cheap enemy drones to escape. It entered low-rate production in late 2024, with the first operational units arriving in 2025, and it's most known for the Pentagon's $250 million order of over 500 units to protect U.S. bases and forward forces from the growing drone swarm threat. As a former intelligence analyst who watched cheap enemy drones become the biggest headache in modern war, having something like this that can hunt them down, take the shot, and then come home for more is exactly the kind of smart, affordable edge we needed years ago. Link in bio for the gear civilians can actually buy right now. VetMilTech, daily from the drop zone.